Hello everyone, in this video let us take a look at some of the comments that were asked on my channel recently. So the first question is from Venki, and Venki is saying thank you so much for making great videos. Thank you Venki for your comment. I'll probably reply to you right now. And the next comment is from Adolfo, and Adolfo actually added a comment on my video, my scriptner video, where I talked about how to display linked issues on a customer portal. So basically, if you have a customer portal, of course in Jira Service Desk, maybe you want to display the issues that you're linking. Maybe when you receive a ticket, maybe you want to link it to your development activities or some other activities in a different project maybe, or maybe within the same project. And for some reason, if you want to display those linked issues on the portal along with their status, so you can do that, of course, using this using this capability in a script runner. And Adolfo was asking about the source code for creating this panel and displaying the linked issues. So I replied to him already. And Datta Ray Borude is asking about, I'm so sorry if I'm not able to pronounce your name, but I actually added a post on my YouTube channel where I simply wanted to know if you guys would like me to do a live webinar or maybe just a live Q&A maybe. So 6 people have responded that yes, it will be a great idea, and I will definitely go live. Let us see. I need to do some preparation and I need to think about the right time when I can do this. And he was basically asking about please continue with the Groovy Master series. So yes, I'm making videos on Groovy, and of course my plan is to create regular videos. Although I was taking a short break in the first week of May, but now I am back with the video production. So definitely I'll be making more videos. Then there is a comment from DevOps Word. Great work, nice presentation. And this comment was on my video that I made, I believe, a couple of months back on integrating Trello with Jira. So thank you very much for the comment. The next question is from Siva, and Siva is asking about, can you help me with the issue collector to create bug in Jira which sends the automatic email in my Java. So this video is on my Jira REST API video, which is actually quite popular. A lot of people want to know how to do things in Jira using, of course, REST API. And I believe he's trying to do some kind of a bug creation in Jira from of course, maybe a different tool. So I'm not sure. So since he mentioned issue collector can definitely be used to just collect issues or some kind of a feedback. And whenever the issue collector is filled up by users, a ticket is actually raised in Jira. And when you have a new ticket raised or a new issue created in Jira, you can definitely have notifications. But if you want to take a look at the comments on the same video, a lot of people are actually asking about something similar. I mean, if you go to the Jira REST API, if you search Jira REST API, you will be taken to this link where you can find a lot of sample code, I believe also in Java, for using REST API. The next question is from Netra, and Netra is asking about, could you please tell me API which I can use for getting test set for particular test actual I tried like this. So I have absolutely no idea about this endpoint. So I think it is probably from some some app. So I have absolutely no idea, Nitra. I think if you um, maybe explain it further, like uh, what exactly are you trying to do, and I'll probably ask her right now what add-on are you using, and what exactly are you trying to do. So let us see. The next question is actually a spam. I'll probably ignore this. Then there is a comment from Prema Jyoti, and she's saying, thank you very much. It is really helpful for beginners. And she actually added this comment on my script runner video where I talked about how to add comment in bulk from a custom field value. So thank you very much. And I'll reply to Prema right now. Then we have this question from Ashwin. So Ashwin is asking about can you or someone please confirm if these instructions are applicable to Cloud Confluence. So I already replied to Ashwin, and basically the way APIs work, the REST API works in Jira or Cloud or Jira and Confluence. They are of course quite similar. And he actually asked me this question about creating a space in Confluence, of course, using REST API programmatically. And he actually wanted to know if we have some sample code. So I actually replied to him, and I showed him this page where he, or in fact anyone, can find some examples and details about how to basically interact with Confluence, for example. So if you take a look at this particular page, let me just increase the size slightly so you can take a look. So if you look at this particular piece of code here, this is basically telling you how to create a space in Confluence using simple curl, or maybe using Node.js or Java or Python or PHP. So you have different examples. This one actually creates space, and he wanted to know how to run this particular piece of code written in Python. So I replied to him that you can use maybe PyCharm if you want, which is of course geared towards Python-based development. So I hope Ashwin, it was useful. Let us take a look at a few more comments. So the next comment is from Libra GWD, and Libra GWD is asking about instead of clicking on the more button, can we make a more kind of a button that displays on the top, like edit, comment, assign, more, etc. So I still need to check it. Basically, if you want, you can also use a script fragments to insert like a custom button, but I think he's trying to create some kind of a button that you can create, and you will have more menu items. So I'll probably check it for him or her. I have no idea, but this is something that I will probably do. The next comment is from Irfan Ansari. He's saying thank you very much, and I will reply to him. These comments, smart comments from YouTube, I really appreciate, because it is much more easier to reply. And he was actually commenting on my Jira Service Desk video. So I started making a lot of videos on Jira Service Desk, but I am a bit occupied these days, so I'm going to continue making those videos, and I hope you can probably wait for some time. But I did make a lot of videos on how to get started with Jira Service Desk and how to basically use those templates out of the box for IT Service Desk, or maybe to create a simple help desk. The next question is from I'm so sorry, I cannot pronounce the name, but he's saying thanks for the videos on this topic. It was really helpful. Would love to see more usage of TM4J. Keep up the good work. So let us see if I can spend more time working on TM4J. There are so many things, like you have of course Jira, then you have Jira add-ons, and you have some of these add-ons like Script Runner, or some of these applications like Jira Service Desk. These are like really huge, and there is no limit of how much you can do with these different applications, and of course Jira as well. So let us take a look at some other videos. And so Libra is also asking about I'm having issue to map an external database field with a custom field. I already created a database connection, tried couple of options to map, but don't have a clue. Can you please make a detailed video on how to display data from a database to Jira custom field? I mean, like a customer creating a ticket, he should be able to pick a location, and that is available from external database table. So I believe this can be done, but I will definitely take cover this. I think it is a good example, and I've done this in the past, and I can definitely create a video on this topic. So let me also cover maybe two more comments. So the next comment is from Sandipta Sucharita. Hi Ravi, can we copy custom field to a system field? I'm not able to. Could you please help? So I'm sure you can, but I actually asked her, can you please give me a specific example from which field to which field you're trying to copy? So maybe if you're trying to copy, let us say, a text field to a summary field, or maybe something else. But you can definitely update system fields if you want. So I mean, you have to write your own code. This video was basically about copying custom field values using the built-in script. I believe using scriptner for Jira. So let us take a look at the last comment, and the last comment is from Datta Ray Borude. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I thought to skip this as I was aware of it, but then I changed my mind, gone through the video and learned about new Groovy Talk and Shabang comments. So I made a video on comments in Groovy, and of course comments in Groovy, the way you create comments is nothing too different from what you may already be aware of, but there is something called as Shabang comment that I wanted to cover in that particular video. So if you don't know what Shabang comments are, then do take a look at it. And I guess this is all I will cover today in this video. So I hope you are enjoying my videos, and do let me know. These feedbacks are really helpful. If you let me know about what you want to see, what you want to do, then it really helps me in making my videos more, I mean, not better, but I can definitely improve them. And I'm really glad that you are enjoying and you're learning by watching my videos. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel and giving me your wonderful and useful feedback.